Namaste and welcome to this tutorial on Om Ganesha, which is one of my favorite Ganesha chants. And I'm going to show you in this video a two-fingered version with chord diagrams and some visual guidance to get you started. And then later on you can just see me playing the three-fingered version and a fuller version with chords and melody the way I would play it. So I hope you can find what you're looking for and enjoy the video. Two fingers. Om Ganesha Om Ganapati Om. Om Ganesha Om Ganapati Om. Ganapati Om 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 Ganapati Om. If you are watching this thinking, I want to learn how to do this properly, then I've created just the thing for you. It's a 7-day free online course that teaches you the foundation in the harmonium and then lays out step by step how you can continue your learning journey. Find me on theharmoniumcourse.com and let's continue with the video. Three fingers. Om Ganesha Om Ganapati Om. Om Ganesha Om Ganapati Om. Ganapati Om 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 Ganapati Om. And the whole thing. Om Ganesha Om Ganapati Om. Ganapati Om 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 Ganapati